Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to break administrator password in Windows Server using Kali Linux. Currently I don't have password to login. Here is an option to break admin password if you forgot the admin password. Now restart this machine. I boot from DVD, which I have already inserted live. Currently is loading all the files. There are many methods to break admin password. Here is one of the method to break Windows administrator password. So this is live DVD running from OS image or live OS. We need not to install, it can directly boot and run operating system. Then I go to the home page, or I can select location. This is my DVD path. This is my operating system, which is Windows Server. This is a folder, Windows folder. I open it and I find System32 folder. I open it. It takes some time to load. There is a database in Windows where all users and passwords are getting stored. The name of the database is SAM. Folder called config. In that, SAM is a database file. I right click, open with terminal. This is a terminal window. You can see the path config under System32 under Windows. This is the root path. Here we have to type one command. The command is here is a many options -HULI. The L command will list all the users in SAM. I use out. Now once again command currently it is showing administrator is and guest. There are two user accounts right now we have, and I want to break administrator password. The command is to break admin password. User have to mention administrator, mention the database. It asking me for confirmation. Clear, the one option is to clear the password. Sorry. And it is cleared, and they say quit. Changes yes. reboot. I'll reboot the machine. Now I am not booting from DVD, it is directly booting from hard disk with Windows operating system. And now you see there is no logon screen because there is no administrator password. It is breaked. It's directly getting into desktop. So now we don't have any administrator password. If you want to set administrator password, you can set it by entering, or you can give Control or Delete. There is a change password and a set. There is no old password to set a new. I create a new password, confirm, enter, then password is set. If you want to log in, then log off, then password. If you forgot the password, repeat again. Thank you for watching this.